Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
So here, based on very short question answers, based on the last topic, they have asked, name the society which opened schools in Madras in 1805. So we have to mention the name of both the society, SPCK and Danish Mission. They jointly opened up the schools in Madras in 1805. Now they have asked who were the first two missionaries who first reached Saadia in 1866. So we have to mention the name, Rev. Nathan Brown and Oliver Cutter. These were the two who first reached Saadia in 1866. What was the name of the first college started in Bombay? That was Jesuit College. That was started in Bombay. Then, which were the early centers of Christian education in India? So, all the name of the states we have to mention here. So, we can mention here the presidencies of Calcutta, then Madras and Bombay. These were the early center of Christian education in India. Then, based on the short answer question, they have asked what was the contribution of Serampore Trio in the field of education. So, we have to mention the name of these three. William Carey, then Marshman, and the third one, Ward. These three were from the Baptist Mission Society and they were called as the Serampore Trio. They all had their own specialty. If we talk about the William Carey, he was a teacher. Here William Carey was a preacher. Marshman was a teacher. And here if we talk about Ward, he was a teacher. So these specialties were there with them. And due to their joint efforts and favorable factors made them successful. Some difficulties also they faced because of the East India Company. So all these points we are supposed to mention here. Based on the long question answers, they have asked, explain the contribution of Christian missionaries in Assam. So here we can say in Assam, the Christian missionaries were the pioneer of the modern education, those who introduced the modern education in that area. As the Assam was the area under the control of Britishers or British rule in 1826. In 1836, Rev. Nathan Brown and Oliver Cutter and Dr. Bronson also, all these three, they reached there separately and they started spreading the Christian education there. Here they translated Bible into Assamese. Bible was the first Assamese book to be printed, and beside that, in addition to that, the first newspaper was also printed there in Assam. Then the first grammar book as well as the first dictionary were introduced here by these Christian missionaries. Now based on the high order thinking skills question, they have asked what was the role of the East India Company in the field of education. So here we can say that this East India Company actually encouraged the missionaries, the Christian missionaries, to come and settle down and open up the different schools here in India. But later on in the 18th century, they adopted the principle of not disturbing the native religious sentiments. And for about 2 decades, they did not allow missionaries to come to India. Somewhere we can say that East India Company showed indifference and negligence towards education in India because they were not in the favor of allowing these Christian missionaries, those who were spreading education and introducing them to the Western ideas or modernization. So these so that East India Company was not in that favor. Next, they have asked, discuss the contribution of Christian missionaries in the field of education in India. So here we have to mention about all the Christian missionaries that we have discussed here in chapter. We have to mention about their role in opening up the schools and spreading the education there. But the main purpose also we have to mention that how, although they were doing it all for their own benefit, all their profit, how they were trying to how they were working on converting the people. But ultimately, if we talk about all their efforts helped us in the modern time in the field of the education. So these were the question answers that we have discussed based on the last topic of this unit 6. Thank you.